Hello friends. We are back again with a new video on MS Excel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can total all rows and columns at one go with a small trick. So let's start our video. In this example, we have an Excel sheet where we have product-wise sales numbers. We will learn how to total all rows and columns at one go. For example, we have sales of products available quarter-wise. Now we want to total all this at one go. For row total we should press Alt plus is equal to together at the end of the row. The same is with the column. Now what if we want to total all rows and columns at one go then? Select full table along with additional row and column where you want the total like this. Then press Alt plus is equal to together. See, now full row and column total is done. With this simple trick you can become much smart and fast in your office. Follow and subscribe our YouTube channels for more videos like this. Don't forget to click on bell icon notification. So whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be notified.